I love the grandeur of it. I love the size of the property. It was a tired old farmhouse, but that was something that was really appealing to me. There was a wagon wheel out the front and lots of little hidey spots, and I just went, oh wow, this would just be amazing for 3 little boys to be able to run around and grow up in. It's pretty special. We looked at the whole 1,480 square metres of it and worked out what we wanted it to do for us, creating those areas that the kids could hang out in, yet we could hang out in our own spaces, but we could also all come together. And we called it the Old Girl. That's the sort of feeling that we got when we first checked the house out. So we love the historical significance, the house being called Rockbourne, being the original farmhouse in this area. We really wanted to personalise it with our own love of lighting, and we had a tree person come in, an arborist, and really just did our homework over the costings and the quality of product. And we wanted the modern look, but at the same time it had to be about the home and really respecting the history of it. Behind me we've got what was the original parlour, and there's a lot of history, a lot of important meetings and things that used to happen in the early 1900s in here. We didn't really know what to do with it. We wanted to maintain its integrity but also utilise that space. So we extended this part of the house out, and it was amazing the amount of lighting that came into the space, and the whole function of the house changed. We can sit 12 or so people around the dining table, we can be cooking in the kitchen, you can sleep a lot of people here, you can entertain a lot of people here. Our thoughts was that we would be here for this 15, 20 years, and then we'd move it on to the next family who could enjoy it. You've got the swimming pool, you've got all the space out the back to run around, feed the chickens. You're obviously close to schools and cafes and all that sort of thing around here. So it's also very safe and private, and that's something that's really important to me, was to create a really nice private space, given that you are in a city. When you're busy throughout the week, you want to come home and it be a sanctuary. So we look forward to the next family being able to come along and really love it and enjoy it as well. I love my study. So it's the smallest room in the house, but being north facing, it gets so much light in it. The sunset comes through the other window, the one off the dining room here. All the colours that come in and they play off the timber floors, that and the space that this house gives you, which is obviously really unique, given that you're only 5 to 10 minutes into town, yet it's so quiet here. The outdoor room, when we designed it, we wanted it to be pretty funky, but it's out the back, no one else can see it, so it's got its own barbecue and sink and everything down there. You can really do lots of different things there. We've had so many Christmas days here, and we've had weddings here, we've had 21sts and great birthday parties. Hopefully others, when they come by the house and get to live in the house, get to create those sort of memories too.